Glass and wool pasting. Tortoise is a water animal. It can also survive on the land. Today, we are going to decorate this dancing tortoise. First, color the parts as shown in the picture with your crayons. Then paste wool on the outline of its shell. At last, paste mirrors of different shapes on its back. They will surely give a sparkling effect. Now, look at this tortoise. It looks wonderful. Sutli pasting. A ladybird loves plants. We will enhance the beauty of this ladybird by sutli and crayons. First, color this ladybird carefully. Give some shading effect to its body. Now, paste sutli on the circles. Make sure you are pasting sutli in the round shape. Ladybird looks so happy. Did you enjoy this activity? Abstract painting. In this activity, we will draw and color an abstract painting. To complete this activity, you need to draw a picture on a texture or handmade paper. Now, fill different colors in your picture and give shading effect to it. A beautiful abstract painting is ready.